Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install Playstore in your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, so don't try to skip this video from any point, and if you are new on our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. So first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser and you have to search for play.google.com. Here you can see play.google.com. You have to search for this. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now you can see that Play Store website is opened in our PC. Okay, so now how we can install Play Store in our PC? Okay, so now you have to click on these three dots in top right corner. Okay, here you can see these three dots on top right corner. You have to click here. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now you have to go on bottom and you have to click on cast, save and share. Here you can see cast, save and share. You have to click here. After that, you will see this type of interface. Now you have to click on install page as app. Here you can see install page as app. You have to click here. After that, you have to click on install button. Okay, so here you can see that our Play Store application is installed in our PC. So now you can open this application. Here you can see that Play Store is successfully installed in our PC. So by using this method, you can install Play Store in your PC. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video.